Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a simple, quick demo of typeinsibidi.com. Let me let me type the name of this site in the banner for you. Typeinsibidi.com. So today I'm doing a simple demo of typeinsibidi.com. I'm doing this so that I can upload this video to typeinsibidi.com so that people who are trying to understand how to use this website and how to make memes or cute images or anything with Nsibidi knows how to do it. This first video is going to be about how to design images using Microsoft Word using Nsibidi. So I'm going to start with, I don't know how this is going to go because I'm literally just winging it. Just turned on this live stream and started going. So please bear with me if this is, and it's not going to be edited. So please bear with me if it's a little bit, if it's not smooth or whatever. All the information is going to be there. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. So I apologize if there's anything that is like boring or anything like that. Just feel free to fast forward or skip around to just the important parts that you need. So first of all, this is typeinsibidi.com. This is a website that I built. The link is here, as you can see, written here, typeinsibidi.com. I also think I put it in the description. So you can go there, and it's basically just a place for you to type in Nsibidi. So let me show you how exactly. So here you have your text and you have the Nsibidi preview. So here we have a demo that says hello world. If you wanted to, you could say something else like my name is Udochi. Hold on a minute. My name is Udochi OKK. So you see the Nsibidi was able to convert automatically um, from English to Nsibidi. So if I wanted to type, but this is actually Akago. So when you're typing the words, you just type it. You're typing Akago. But when you're typing the symbols, you're using Nsibidi. And there's a difference between Nsibidi and Akago. And if you're not sure the difference between Nsibidi and Akago, go to my YouTube channel, Ikenga Nation TV, and check out some of our videos on Nsibidi and Akago to understand the difference. So if you're just typing regular ABCD, you're typing in Akago. But if you have a full word, and a full word is one symbol, you're typing in Nsibidi. That's the main difference. So if you want the Akago and you're just typing the words, you can just type, for example, let's say if anybody has a comment, type a comment you want me to type in Nsibidi here. I will try to translate it to Nsibidi for you in real time. But if you don't, then that's fine too. But like, let me think of a word to type. Ibokwenu. I'll type Ibokwenu in Nsibidi. In Akago, IGBO. You see how it converted automatically? Ibokwenu. So that is Ibokwenu in Akago. Maybe I can make it bigger for you guys so that you can see more clearly. So this on the right, on the left is the English, and on the right is the Akago. So now that we have now that you understand how that works, the next thing you need to understand is typing in Nsibidi. You understand how the Akago works, but let me show you how the Nsibidi works. So Nsibidi is a symbol that can mean a whole word. Akago is just A, B, C, D, the letters, but Nsibidi is a full word typed as a symbol. So in order to get those symbols, you would have to click on the Nsibidi keyboard here, this orange button, and this will open up search symbols. You see this has all these symbols. So as you can see, Ago is the first symbol here. It looks like a big X kind of thing. One is a second symbol here. It looks like two people, but you know, if you understand how Nsibidi works, which you can learn more about that on Ikenga Nation TV on YouTube to understand how Nsibidi works, or search our Nsibidi playlist on Ikenga Nation TV. Ichie, it has this symbol. Ojuku, it has this symbol. Ofia has this symbol. And if you understand Igbo, you'll understand what these words mean. There are also English words in here as well. So I'm going to try to type my name in Nsibidi. So my first part of my name is Udo, which means peace. I already know that Udo in here is not written, but peace is written. So I'm going to write Peace for peace. And I'm going to insert the Nsibidi symbol. I'm going to click insert symbol here. And you see the Chinese version of it is here because Nsibidi doesn't have a Unicode, um, hasn't have a Unicode script yet. So we have to use a conversion script to convert the Chinese Chinese into the um, the Nsibidi. So you have the Nsibidi symbol here that you can copy. This is the Udo, and I'm gonna look for the Chi symbol, which I know how it looks. So I'm gonna type in Chi. And you can see they have Chi here. They have Chi here. Chi is a different word than Chi, and so the Chi I know because I speak some Igbo is this one. Chi meaning God or deity or destiny or whatever. But like that's the Chi that I'm looking for. I'm gonna click that Chi, and now you see my full Igbo name Chi Udo Chi here. So I'm gonna take that symbol. I'm gonna take that Nsibidi symbol, those Nsibidi symbols, Udochi, and if you want me to type anything else for this demo, like just show you how it works, type it in the comments, and I'll respond, and I'll try to do it live and show you how to do it live. So for this demo, we're showing you how to do it in Microsoft Word. So in order for you to do it in Microsoft Word, you click Udochi. So here we go. We have Udochi here. So we just click click to copy your text to clipboard. So we're going to copy this text here. Now we have the text in my clipboard. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to download Akago 2023 font. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the font. I'm going to press the button, and it's showing you that I can download this font. So I'm going to download this font here, save. And once you save it, I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to do it on a Mac. On a PC, it's different. If I get access to my PC, then maybe I'll show you how to do it on a PC in a future video, but this is going to be on a Mac. So let's see. So what you'll do on a Mac is you will click on, resume, check internet connection. Okay, this is having an issue. I already have this font on my PC, so I'm not going to worry about that. I think the issue is that this doesn't have HTTPS right now, the website, so it's having issues downloading the font. So let me just use the font that I have in, hold on, in sorry guys. Let me use the font that I have. Let me use the font that I have in my desktop. Give me 1 second while I pull it up. Type in Nsibidi. Assets, fonts. Okay, so you can't see it. So I'm gonna share that screen now. Stop screen. Sorry guys. Let me share the screen again. Share screen. Entire screen. Screen 2. Share. Oh. My bad. Hey guys, sorry about that. I got disconnected there for a moment. Let me go back to my this thing. Share screen. Share screen. Okay. Okay. So sorry about that. I got disconnected. Um, so let me go back here. Let's try that again. Let me go back to Finder and go back to desktop and see if we can open. So if you are on Microsoft Word, if you're on a Mac, you will find the Nsibidi, the Akago 2023 .ttf file that you downloaded from typeinsibidi.com, and you will click it, double click it. If you're on a Mac, this is what you're going to do. And you're going to click install font. Okay, you're going to click install font. It has the font here. This is what you're looking at on my screen, and you click install font, just like I did, just like I'm doing. You see, now it's installed. Now it is installed. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're trying to use this current font in Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to open up Microsoft Word now that we have installed the font. I don't know, this Microsoft Word is already open, so I don't know if we're going to be able to see that font in here, Akago, or if I'm going to have to download I'm going to open Microsoft Word again. I think I have to open Microsoft Word again because I recently downloaded something new to it. So let us open Microsoft Word again. Let's close Microsoft Word, quit Word. Okay, now I am going to open Microsoft Word again, applications on my Mac. If you don't have a Mac, that's another story altogether. We'll cover we might cover, where's Microsoft Word? Here we go. We might cover PCs in a future video. So now I'm opening up Microsoft Word. I'm going to open a blank document. Here we go. And you're going to click on fonts up in the right hand corner. Let me actually shrink this so you can see it and then bring it down here. So you see where I'm clicking here, where I see fonts. You go down here and you should see the Nsibidi font here. You see it has funny symbols. It's really tight. Those symbols mean Akago in the Akago font. So you're gonna click that, and now the document will be typing in Nsibidi. So I copied some text. So I'm gonna make this font to be 72, so it's very big and you can see it. And I copied some text from typeinsibidi.com. So let's see if it's still in my clipboard. That is the font from it's typeinsibidi.com. So if you have to be very careful about this, because if you don't change the font in your Microsoft Word to Nsibidi, it will type English or Chinese. So like if I change this font to, let's say, what is a common font? Times New Roman, Arial. If I change this font to Arial now this font is, let's delete this. Now if I paste the font, hold on. This is still not Kaggle. So now the font is Arial. Actually, let's change the font to this Apple Chancy or whatever. Now let's type. If I try to type in the font, it now says Akago. If I try to type this font in Arial, change this font to Arial. Oh, it doesn't change. Wow, that's interesting. Well, that's I guess that's something that I didn't intend to do, but I actually was able to do. which is to keep the font in Akago as when it's pasted. But but it is important for you to change your font to Akago when you're typing in Nsibidi, because then anything you type, see JAK, you can type in Nsibidi, you can type in Akago, and you will type in another thing. So now it says Udochi. That says Udochi and Nsibidi. Udochi is cool. So now you can design things. You can add a picture. You can add a picture down here. You can insert a picture into this flyer or whatever, but you can include Nsibidi symbols in your flyer. The most important thing that you need to know about typeinsibidi.com, let's go back to the website, typeinsibidi.com, the most important feature that you need to be aware of is this click for Nsibidi keyboard button, which will allow you to find the Nsibidi word that you're looking for and copy and paste it into any image editor or word editor that you want, and be able to make flyers, memes, all kinds of things using the Nsibidi font. So try it out. Go to typeinsibidi.com, try it out, and leave a comment letting me know what you think. If this is your first time hearing about Nsibidi, let me know. If this is your first time learning about how to type with Nsibidi, if you've never typed with Nsibidi before, let me know. But I hope this has been helpful. I'm going to make another video very soon about how to type with Nsibidi using Canva. Thank you for watching and have a great day.